Alright guys, so this time around we shall be seeing on how we can create accounts and then or create list of records. Alright, so like in the previous video where we saw how to import the chart of accounts, you notice at the end of the video I made sure my computer the program had freezed. So if you want, I want to show you now the chart of accounts that's there. So here is a tongue again. So yeah, I'll close back again and enter. So this is a tongue, this is 2026. You see, this is my accounting plan complete. You see, you want to know it's complete, you see the last account here is account 99. Telling me that everything is there. So everything is okay. So to create accounts, we will still need to come back to this chart of account area, still inside this order plan. You want to add specific accounts that we shall be using. Just like you know that these are basic accounts in which a company can use to personalize it to the various accounts that they need for that particular company. For instance, you have account 411, which is a customer. I may want to define the type of customer. I may put 4111 to differentiate them, 4112 to differentiate them, so that if I 4111 maybe for John, 4112 for B for Peter, 4113 for maybe for Paul. So this is why we create accounts here in the software, so that we can personalize it for the company. For instance, in this exercise I'm using, you see here in this appendix 3, your personalized accounts. I have here 52110. You already know 521 is for bank. So 52110 now is telling us that we are dealing with what? Union Bank of Africa, Bamenda. I can have 52111, which can be BSEC Bank. Let's say a company can have 3 bank accounts with different banks. So you can use this personalized account to differentiate them. Okay, so let's see on how we can create it. We will be creating account 52110 and joining it with account 521. So we come down here, we see new. We click on new. We take manual creation of accounts. The account number is 52110. Mind you, the account details should always be what? The account type should always be details. Always make sure that the year you see here is the year, your financial year you're using. If you're using 2025, it should be 2025. If you're using 2027, it should be 2027. If you're using 2026, it should be what? 2026. This header means the account name. So we have a Union Bank of Africa, Bamenda. So account number. So we have to link it. Let me close it again to show you. You see where there's joined account. I have to join it to an account 521 as said there in the question. So I'll click on this join account. I'll select my company is a tongue. You see here is 2020. That's why you see the chart of account area is empty. So in this area, the only thing you can do is to click on this join and take all, so that this chart of accounts can appear, because you cannot actually select the financial year here. So it's just to come there and take all. But don't do that in a normal and chart of account. It's not good. Okay, so here I need to take account 521. So why there's initials up here? I click on it and I type 521. It's 5211 rather than the equation is using. The exercise is it's 521, sorry. So 521 and then click on it and then select. You see now it has appeared there. So I've already joined the account. So there I'll validate. It's okay. The next one is the next account there we have, this is the main cash 57110. So we come there, main cash 57110 detail. We are still joining it with 571. The other account, personal capital. I think this one is already there. By the time account 103 in the system, that's a good account there. That's personal capital. If I want to look here from the chart of accounts, one zero. I'm supposed to look into account 10, but there's no 10 here. So ideally, we already see here in the system. You look at this join, you see there's personal capital. So I cannot create that account because it's already there. So what I'll do, I'll go to the next account, which is supplier pool 40111. So change this account number to 40111. Supplier Paul. We will link it to 4011 as joining it. So 4011. Then we validate. Then lastly, we have 41111 detail. Customer, this customer who? Customer John. Joining it to 411. Let me see, is yes 4111. So validate. So I've created, that's how we create accounts. I've created. If I want to see if the accounts I've created in this chart, I'll just come down here inside this chart of account like this. Remember, this is still the chart, the main chart of accounts. The chart of accounts like this. Let me remove it. Yeah. This, I come there, I select my company, close. You see the financial year is not yours. That's why I'm closing. It's 2026 now. I have a tongue. Now click on initials. I take 5211. Let me see, 571. Alright, to see the accounts, that you created, right? You click on these initials and type the account number. Let me say I want to look for the bank I created, 5211110. See that's Union Bank of Africa. Please, if you do not see it, come when you see third parties and just put all. When you see third party, just take all. It means that all the accounts should appear. Alright, so that's how we create accounts. Next we shall be seeing on how we can create journals. This program uses a centralized accounting system, and in the centralized accounting system, you only record transaction using what? Journals. So we can create a financial year, create accounts, or create a chart of account. But for us to record, we have to record only using what? Specific word? Journals. Alright, so based on this exercise, I'll use what the exercise has given us. We have the cash journal, bank journal, sales journal, opening balance journal. So this cash journal is just there like a journal in which is being used to record everything concerning what? Cash. So to create journals, you go to the second option here, which is a list of records. You click on list of records. You select your company and take new. There you have the initials. The initials of this journal, this is the code, the cash journal CSH. So I type CSH. The type for cash journal is treasury. The header is the journal name, so cash journal. The main account, you see there's 571. For here you can type it. You can just type 571. Or maybe you can still go in the same process, you go again and search. So after you validate. Next one. So this cash journal we use to record every cash transaction. Cash in, cash out. You recorded in that cash journal. The next thing we have there new again is the bank journal. BNK rather. So we have BNK. Still the same treasury. The header is what? Bank journal. So we'll be linking to account 521, or main account is 521. So we validate. The next one we have there is the sales journal. Everything that records everything about what? Sales. So we go sales journal with initials of SEL. So the type we take sales, header sales journal. Then account number 701. So there we validate. Then next we have the purchase journal, which is PURH. We have PURC. So rather we now have purchases. Then we're going to type the header as purchase journal. Meanwhile here is 601. Okay, the next one we are supposed to create is the opening balance journal. This opening balance journal is used to record opening balances like the opening balance sheet or the opening trial balance. So we have the code is OPBAL. So OPBAL. So we have the type, maybe other operations. We have header opening balance journal. There is no main account number for that, and we validate. So you should know the cash journal, you record cash transaction, bank journal to record bank transaction, including checks, sales journal to record every sales transaction, purchase journal to record every purchase transaction, and opening balance journal to record what? The opening balances. So that's how we create accounts and also what create journals. So next we shall also see on how to record an opening balance sheet. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.